So I had the craziest invitation. I'm sorry. Yeah, my appearance. I just woke up. So if I look like puffy eyes, do I look like I got puffy eyes? No, but I definitely look like I just woke up. Best sleep ever. So what was I saying? I like this morning when I came back from work, somebody that has usually seen me walk around with Jay, like in the mornings, kind of stopped me to ask me if I did any sports. And I was like, I haven't played sports in like a minute. Like, I mean, I'm active, like I do boxing, but I don't, what type of sport we talking about? So she said right now we're doing playoffs for women's tackle football. And I'm like, oh. I haven't played football like in years. Like the closest I'll ever get to playing is never. And it's usually a sit home, watch TV kind of thing. First of all, I didn't even know they had women's professional tackle football. And she was giving me the rundown, which I thought was cool. I was just like, just out of random. She goes like, I've seen you walk around here a dozen times, and I've always meant to stop and ask you. We're doing tryouts right now. It's every Tuesday and Thursday. And I'm like, fuck, of course it'd always be like some type of wrench in the plan, because I work overnight shifts and one of my days are Tuesdays. And it's not something I can switch out of it. So I was like, well, I'm off Thursdays and every other Saturday, come on mama, of the week. So I don't know, I'll keep you posted, but thank you for the invite. I'm like thinking to myself, I'm like, yo, I am not really good at running. That's the whole thing, with the going to the gym and getting in shape part, is so that like I'm gonna have to do running. Like, goddamn truck. And hold on. There's always a truck around me. Like I'm still just building up like stamina, like to like work up a mile and stuff like that. I'm not, full up there yet. But that's why this invitation kind of like piqued my interest, because I was looking at the videos. Like she showed me an Instagram video, or their site. I think they're called like the Dallas Mustangs or something like that. They have the colors of their jerseys looks very similar to the Cowboys, so I don't know about that. But I was like looking at one of their videos, and like how the coaches like have when they're doing the tryouts and stuff, they have these groups of women that just, all they do is like work out. I'm not talking about like lift weights. I'm like, they do the whole running, they do the whole jumping jacks, they do like you ever see when they put like those, I guess that the laterals. So for those reasons, I was like, well, if I'm gonna get into like building up the stamina to run, it could help. I just don't know how much I would be able to like do practice with just one day out of the week. And then on top of that, like, what if they actually put me on? Like, scheduling games and stuff might fall on days that I would have to be at work, and I just can't be blowing off, vacation time. Granted, we spoke about, me possibly moving in closer to June, July. So I'm like, is it worth it to even like try it out? I don't know. But I thought it was cool, and I was like, yo, I wish that you would have like asked me, well, sometime like last year, so I could like figure out how this would have worked out. That was kind of the highlight of my day, you know. Like I was just like, of course, leave it to the universe to like give you something to shake shit up. Because, you know, lately I've been feeling kind of like stagnant in a way. I don't want to say stuck, but, you know, the season right now, everything's kind of like winding down. Like, it's just, you know, thoughts aren't really popping off. So, for me, that is kind of stagnant because, like, I try to keep myself motivated. Well, not motivated, but, you know, I try to remind myself that I have a goal to meet. Like, I have to get down to a certain weight, you know, to be eligible for being considered for the Navy. And then I'm doing all of that and taking boxing and then going to the gym and, you know, doing all this on top of going to work. And working in itself drains me of my energy because, you know, I'm working compressed 12-hour shifts, so it's kind of, it's a lot. Like today I got home and showered and just assed out because I'm so tired. So, but I keep telling myself I have a goal that I'm sticking to, and I'm gonna do whatever it takes this time to see it through, amongst several other, you know, areas of improvement in my life. So the thing I should do, I've noticed when I've been writing that, like, there have been several changes that I have made since last year until now, and I don't really give myself the credit for sticking things out the way I have. You know how they tell you you're supposed to celebrate your wins? And I haven't done that because it's like when you're inside the bubble, you don't see the change. Everybody on the outside can see it. Like, you know, come on, Ma. She sees a squirrel. This is what she does. She don't want to move. I'm like, you going? You're wrecking my flow, girl. My thought process. What's wrong with you? Come on, Mama. What was I saying? Yeah, that I don't celebrate my wins. And, you know, there's a lot of things that I did. Like, I started the blog page. I've been saying I wanted to start a blog page for a minute now. And I did it at the same time that I've created the channel, because I wanted the blog page to touch on more personal things, you know, even though the channel touches my life. The blog page was like my thoughts. It's like a virtual journal entry, and that's still not even as private as like what I actually journal. But a lot of the things that, you know, motivation wise, I put on the vlog. So I did that. I said I wanted to go to a gym. I've been sticking with it. It's been consistent. And, you know, for people that have known me before, you know, there's this thing where it's like I was groomed to quit. And I think I actually wrote about that on the blog too. Like, because when you don't have a support system around you that like pushes you to do certain things, and I'm talking about even from family, because that's damn near the only thing I got out here right now. It's just like sometimes they don't see the vision. And it could be from anything, from starting a channel to opening of a business to, you know, well, do you really think it's a good idea? I just don't want you to waste your time. It's like being fake positive. And that used to irk me because, like, every single time, like, I would have this bright idea, they would tell me, you know, I just don't want you to, you know, waste time, or I don't want you to go broke, or I'm just making sure that, you know, you do what's best for you. But if it were me, I blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, if it were you, but you're not doing anything that I'm doing. And it's just like, y'all don't, sometimes it's like you almost don't want to take the risk to, like, invest because you won't see, like, a result right away. And I've never been like that. I can't say it's that, you know, concept has, like, always saved me in the past, because there have been some times that, you know, I've invested into things and it flopped. And then they were right there to be like, see, I told you so. I told you this wasn't gonna work. And now, I just keep my moves to myself. I keep quiet. But, so, going to the gym and starting the 2 pages in the channel, I've done that. You know, focusing on, like, more, like, for my financial goals have gotten better. Like, everything has gotten better since I haven't been putting the focus into being around or with other people. I think, like, the type of person that I am, that always, like, you know, I've always been the, you know, whatever you need, I got you type of person. And now I'm learning to not be whatever you need, I got you. Not that I'm going to change being the kind-hearted person that I am, but it's more like I'm tired of being the whatever you need, I got you, but you never got me. It's definitely that. So, people, you know, kind of move funny. Look at you. That's why I love this little walk. Like, it takes, you know, 10-15 minutes around the bend. Every time I walk down this way, I clear my head. I just wish the weather was a little bit, you know, I'll take it. I'm not even gonna front, because it's perfect, actually. Even though there's no sun, it's not raining, it's not too cold. It's really like, it feels like I want to put a warm fleece blanket on and walk around in my cozy socks kind of day. It's really perfect. So I'm not complaining. And every time I'm on this path, it always gives me time to, like, film. Even though I've never really shown you guys, like, when I talk out loud, like when I'm filming down while I'm walking shade. Because usually I'm just trying to get stuff done, and I should stop doing that. Well, that's the whole point of vlogging, even the little annoying tidbits. Anyway, I don't know what I know that later I got an appointment for therapy. We meet every Wednesday at 4. Oh, actually, do we meet at 4 today? I think we meet at 3 today. I didn't realize that she switched the time up. I gotta hurry up and get this girl back in. I hope she's feeling better. Last week we were feeling like crap, so we both decided to end our session early. Yeah, I will definitely figure out what to do tonight after therapy class and for the rest of this week. I'll see y'all later.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Feeling a lot better.
Yeah, you're probably like, okay.
I got some
all
color in my cheeks.
right. Yeah. What'd you do with the ginger? Nothing?
Girl. It's Snow City.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
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 Like, trying to guess. I don't know what that was.
I went I went to I went to the urgent care and got some actual meds cuz
Okay. Well, good. Did they give you a Z-Pack?
They did. They did. And
Okay.
some steroids and some other, I don't know, it's like these little gel tablets
Uh-huh.
for the cough.
Yeah. Everybody is sick right now. Like, one of our clinicians, her son is in the hospital right now. It's just like going around. Yep, I think he'll be okay. But yeah, it's just a lot. Like, everybody just is getting sick.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. I was like, I still have like residual cough, but it's nowhere as bad as like the last time when I was, meeting up with you.
Yeah.
So that's good. Maybe tomorrow I might be able to like go back to the gym, and hopefully I don't die because.
Well, that would be ideal. So whatever you gotta do there.
They're gonna be like, "What happened?" Just over here dying. Oh, but things been good. It's been good.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to hear that.
How are you feeling?
I'm good. Yeah. I think it was really just that day. I think the next day I was fine, if I'm not mistaken. So.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just that time of year, I guess.
What's up, y'all? So, I got a little D.I.Y. project. These sneakers have been sitting in my closet. I bought them, I want to say about 8 years ago. And I can never remember how to properly pronounce them. They're Jordan Spizikes? I think that's how you say it. Yeah, they're the funky ones with the crackled kind of edgings. I only wore these sneakers maybe, I want to say 3 times. And the one day I was visiting my mother-in-law, and I got out the car, I took one step, and the heel came off. And then from then on, I was just like, yo, this is a waste, because I think I spent 200 something bucks. And I didn't want to, they were fire when I first got them. They were all nice and clean, and the print was all there. And then I never got to wear them again. And I was like, for all of that, I don't want to have to buy another pair, because I usually get my sneakers off of Go. I rarely indoor shop. I usually buy online. But they even had a disclaimer on there. They were like, because these are kind of vintage, kind of sneakers, they're prone to defects. And I was like, man, maybe I could just get the supplies and stuff and then actually just try to repair it myself. So that's what I did. I got some packages in the mail, and I've been waiting to actually take the time to go and repair stuff. So that's the only reason I saved them. So I think I got some oh yeah. So I got the leather acrylic paints. And I had 2 of them because on the bottoms they're red, but this is more part of the shoe. It's not really, part of the shoe. It's all part of the shoe. But the stuff that's actually painted are just the near the sole. It's just the end. So I wonder if I've got blue and red, but I don't remember if I got the white or not. So we're gonna see how this goes. I did get white. Okay, cool. That's so cute. I don't know about them. I think that honestly should be enough to do whatever I gotta fix on these. Too, like Angela's white, leather paint. They gotta be leather. Got the blue, chili red. So yeah, it's been a while since I did a DIY project. Then I had, at the same time I bought those colored, you know, the leather paints. I had got a restored kit with like a cleaning solution and a brush to, like, you know, clean this up a little bit. For the sole, I got boot fix glue. You know, so, and this is the only side that's on. The other one is fine. Like I said, these sneakers aren't like really in bad condition. They just, you know, because I barely ever wore them. They just probably need to get like their shoelaces cleaned up, do a little scrub, and then paint along the outside. So yeah, got some painter's brushes. Got some water for like to use for the solution, and then something to put the laces in. I'll probably put like a little bleach in there or something so I can clean the laces. I got acetone. Like, it's the nail polish remover, but it works great with like taking off, like, you know, whatever I'm trying to say. You get my drift. And then some masking tape to like cover the outsides so I don't get the paint where I don't want it to be. Yeah, it's taking me a minute to get this together. So I'm gonna have this set up. I'm gonna take all this out. This is kind of cute. Give like a little dry cloth. They said on this you don't. Kind of stinky. It smells like glue. They said with this you don't like have to do anything except for like, you wet the brush in the water, add a small amount of the cleaning liquid to the brush, start brushing, wipe the foam off, and then if you need to repeat it or whatever, you can repeat it. It says to air dry for like up to 8 hours depending on the material of the shoe. I don't honestly think we're gonna need up to 8 hours, but you know, you never know. I'm not doing anything internally, so like it's all gonna be on the outside. I think we'll be okay. Alright. Let's get into it. I'm gonna take this off. I should put on some music. And by the way, this is not like a regular sneaker that I wear anyway, so obviously for, you know, because I haven't been able to repair it. This is, I'm not a professional, what do you call them? Restorers? It's my first time doing this, so if it goes to trash, I'll just get a new pair of sneakers. It's not a big deal. Or maybe we won't. We'll just chuck it. Gone this long without wearing them. Whatever.
It's amazing, I'm the reason everybody fired up this evening. I'm exhausted, barely breathing, holding on to what I believe in. No matter what, you'll never take that from me. My reign is as far as your eyes can see. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing. I'm a monster, I'm a killer, I know I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm a problem that'll never ever be solved. And no matter what, you'll never take that from me. My reign is as far as your eyes can see. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing. I'm a monster, I'm a maven. I know this world is changing. Never gave in, never gave up. I'm the only thing I'm afraid of. No matter what, you'll never take that from me. My reign is as far as your eyes can see. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. 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 It's amazing.
I'm amazing, yeah, I'm all that. If I ain't on my grind, then what you call that? Victorious, yeah, we warriors. We make history, strive all victory. Standing at my podium, I'm trying to watch my sodium. Die high blood pressure, either let the feds get you. I'm amazing, born on a full moon. I was bred to get it in, no spoon. That's why I'm so goon, summertime, no Junes. Big family, small house, no room. They like, oh God, why he go so hard? Look what he's been through, he deserves an applause.
So amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing.
What's up, y'all? It's about 3 in the afternoon. I need to head out to Michael's because remember I started that DIY project yesterday and I was like, I might have to pick up some more blue paint, maybe another thing of white paint too, and some black. I'm gonna need black just in case. I don't want to mess this up, so it'll be easier if I have like a tray that I could mix the paint on. So I can get it to the right color to match the sneaker. So we're about to do that. I'm gonna go eat or get something to eat. Hi, Shay. Oh, Drooly Monster. Have a child, they said. So yeah. I'll talk to you in a little bit. I'm starving. How you doing? Oh, I can never stay in this store. I never want to leave. I think usually the paint section is in the back. T-shirts. Ooh. I do need paintbrushes. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get these. Okay. I'm sorry. I need to look for leather acrylic paint. Let me see what's wrong. Okay. Sorry. Could I just ask, where do you have leather acrylic paint?
Leather acrylic paint?
Yeah.
This is where all our paint's at.
I should have brought the one I had.
Yeah. I know. That is what our leather paint is. It's just down here.
Is that all you have? Yeah, that's it's like
Yeah.
this. Okay. Cool.
Uh-huh.
I was looking for this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is what we had for.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Shit. They don't have white. Maybe I can mix the other acrylics. I need a tray. I wonder if you could use multi-surface paint and still acrylic.
These are chocolate.
Yeah. I mean, that's the color that I need. Somewhat. It's a mix between that and the true blue. It's like a little darker, so it would be this color. The only thing is this is not multi-surface. Not this one. Okay. I'll get those two. I'll get white. So I needed a tray, right? So we'll just go with this one. Should I get the cups? Yeah, what I'm telling you about. Alright. Okay. I had this scrapbooking era that I was just like all things scrapbook. Literally, every week would be another project. And I was doing good with it too, until I had to leave all my supplies in Philly. Like I basically had, you know, like the shit, what do they call it? It was like the cutter. It's like this big kind of, I don't even know how to describe it. Anyway, it was like for cutting cardstock, like precise. I had like 2 of those. And then I used to work at Staples, so I would get like the cardstock like at the end of shift. Like the real nice, durable, heavy. They come in different colors. My favorite one was the pearls. That's what I made everybody's like Christmas cards and Valentine's Day cards and all that stuff. I used to be real big on scrapbooking. And the stickers. The stickers were my favorite. And then I stopped. Made me sad. I'm very artsy. It's a, you know, like I'm discovering now that I have a lot of passions that I kind of dropped, especially when it came to art. Like I love art. I love creating things. I love DIY stuff. I don't know. Maybe we'll pick it back up again. We'll see. Alright, I'm about to head out this fucking store because I need to get out of here. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry. I gotta go. Unicorn. Is that a unicorn? Are these even still a thing? I'd love to see my babies. Look, it's Hedwig. Didn't I say I was checking out? Yeah. How you with the bag?
Card.
$40. Jeez. $40.
We have this, yeah, it's not so much, you know, you don't have anything to
And we out.
I'm like,
Yeah, we do that. Okay. This weather's yucky. It's starting to rain. Where do I want to eat? What's around? What's around? What was I thinking of before? I know I was thinking something. They got Panda Express, Shake Shack. I don't like Shake Shack. I always get Jersey Mike's across the street over there. But I don't feel like Jersey Mike's. So where do I want to eat? I don't know, we about to figure it out though. Woo! I'll let you know when we get there. Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna go and get burritos. I've never been to this place. It's actually in the same plaza as the Michaels. See? Freebirds. I asked my sister to help me pick a spot out, so let's do it. I'm gonna ask them. How are you? It's my first time here, so I do want a burrito. I'll do a burrito. Flour. Large. Go big, go home. What do you recommend? Like, what's a good one? What's popular? Don't do that to be cool. Surprise me.
you want both?
Do both. Do refried.
And we have seasoned chicken, fajita white chicken, ranch and steak, country pork.
Can you mix them?
Yeah, so it comes with 3 scoops. Which three would you like?
The ranch hand steak, the green chili pork. Maybe do a double of the ranch hand.
Any potatoes and queso?
Potatoes and queso. That is gonna be a huge ass burrito. Look at this.
Corn, cheese, pico, lettuce.
Definitely cheese. Corn. I don't care for the rest.
Any onions or jalapenos, cilantro?
Do a little bit of onions.
Any sauces over here? Lime juice, roasted garlic, fuchsia, sour cream, ranch.
Do the ranch. burrito is massive. This is gonna be epic. Oh, it's a dope piece. Can I also get a
Chips and dip with this or drink dessert?
a drink though? Like a large drink.
Regular, large, or bottle?
Large. Oh, you have bottle. Can you get a bottle of Dr. Pepper?
It's gonna be $21.96.
Sweet.
10 o'clock.
I'm always happiest when I get food. Always. Woo! Alright, now back to this rainy ass weather. I don't know, there's something romantic about it. Kinda wanna snuggle. Alright, we got some painting to do with that massive burrito. I need to pick up some more coconut water. Like, I get soda every once in a while. Believe it or not, I am doing good on the soda. I have not had soda since like... Wow, it's actually been a minute. Yeah, I'm doing good on the soda. Yeah, maybe we'll stop at 7-Eleven, go pick up some coconut water, and then I will see you back at the house so we can finish this little DIY project later. Mimi! You want treats, don't you? We go on treats. Alright. Here, I'll go. Hang on. You go to the goodie bag. You ready? Oh, you missed. Try again. Hey. Ready? Did you catch that one? You might have caught that one. I'll give it to you. Young lady, you still got food in your bowl? I'm gonna need you to fix that situation. Thank you, ma'am. Anyway, I just picked up my burrito. Let's see. Okay. I'll leave the squeal. No. Look at the size of this thing. Shit is massive. I'm about to eat my grub and then we're gonna get started on the paint job. What's up, y'all? So it's about 4:48. I had the good mind to go to the Container Store today because I needed to pick up some boxes. Well, not boxes, like shoe boxes, because I want to reorganize my closet. But I'm not gonna have time to. I have work in a little bit, so I gotta start getting ready. It's been raining like all week. I'm not complaining though. I set a positive intention that today's gonna go smooth and I'm gonna have fun, and this week is gonna go by super quick. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. I had some thoughts. I was talking to my sister about my upcoming birthday plans, because you know it's about to be what, I want to say a little over 3 weeks, maybe a little less than that. I don't know. I got some things in store. Like it's gonna be wild. I took off like 3 extra days, so I'm gonna have close to like 10 days off, and I'm gonna go crazy with filming because there's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna do. It's gonna be epic. But I'm gonna leave y'all with this. I gotta wrap up, and I'm not gonna really be doing much today. The sneakers are almost done. I gotta do the blue trimming, and I gotta do another coat of the white. But they came out dope. For the first time, you know, restoring my own sneakers, they were pretty. I can't wait to wear them again. So I'll show you that probably in like the next video. Y'all see the finished product. Now I'm just about to go and chill, get ready for work, and yeah, I hope y'all have a positive day. Thank you again for stopping by and seeing what's up. Please like, share, and subscribe. I love y'all. I'll see y'all next video.